Witam na moim kanale. Nie zapomnijcie zasubskrybować, aby być na bieżąco z materiałami.
Walk over here. Get your hands up. Walk over here. Don't move. Hey. Get on the ground. Roll over. Roll over. You better quit. You better quit. Why are you running?
What?
Why are you running?
Because Mom told me to.
What's your name?
Tina Cody.
Roll over.
Back in the house.
Roll over.
Roll over.
This is great plan, Robin. Thanks.
One detained.
Roll over. Roll over.
I'm trying to.
Roll over.
Oh, damn.
Roll over and give me your hand.
I am rolling over you. Ouch!
Give me help. Shots fired. Give me help.
34 in the round, 34 in the round. 40 in lives, 40.
I've got a guy with a gun. Give me some help. Shots fired.
We got him, Justin. Shots fired. 58's got a shot fired. 95 on 33.
You better show me your hands.
Where's he at? Sharp Road? 10-4, Robinson. Stage of 47.
10-4, I've already done it.
Wondering also check, see if the city might have a unit close by. Might be at their 4-yard. Check with them, advise me back.
Step out and show me your hands.
180.
Do it now. Do it now. Get the out here. You dropped that thing. Walk over here. Walk over here. Do it now.
Highway now.
Get out here. Get the on the ground. Get away from there. Get the on the ground. Get the on the ground. You better keep your hands where I can see them.
You get in the house and stay there.
You stay the on the ground.
Do nothing.
I just got arrested for psychiatric work. Could you please quit?
You keep your hands where I can see them.
Put your hand behind you. I'm going to lock these cuffs. Do not move.
Justin, I'm turning on Jones Cove, buddy. We're coming.
Stay down. Until all this is diffused, stay down. For your own safety.
For my own safety?
You better not move.
That's right there, you black. You have up.
You shut the up.
100 to 120 for SPDs and have a unit
Get
right
your
off.
knee on my
Not over here.
Get your hands down my girl.
Shut the up.
Quit touching it.
Dad.
Shut up. I've got him on the ground at gunpoint. I don't know what he did with it, but he's on the ground.
Well, they're kicking me in the head for talking.
You copy that? He's got him on the ground. He doesn't with a gun.
You keep your hands where I can see them. You better not move.
Maintain, we'll come to you.
They're pressing down. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Well, you just stay put.
MS3,
You shut the
MS1.
I can't stand them. Steve?
Copy that. Copy that. 7, you okay?
You're not making no better. I don't give a Yeah, you need help, all right. You smart fucking act like stupid asses. Won't go in some people that ain't got it. We none of us
77.
have
I'm on the parkway. I'm headed away.
I don't want anybody to have a firearm here because my mom's disabled. She's crazy.
Pull it together, man. Pull it together. Pull it together, man. Come here. Pull it together, man. Pull it together. Pull it together. Look at me. Pull it together. Give me that gun. Give me your gun. Give me your gun. Give me your gun, sir. Give me your gun. I'm with the ambulance service. Give me your gun. Give me your gun. Let go of it. Let go of it.
Don't you move! Don't move! Don't move! Shut the
Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. I got it. I got it under control. You just calm down, man. Don't move! Easy, buddy. Easy, man. Calm down. It's okay, buddy. We got this under control. We got your back, man. Don't worry about it.
Give him a gun.
You shut
You shut the
We got it, man. We got it. It's all under control. Don! Watch yourself. Okay, I need you over here now. I got him. Todd, over here now. Easy, buddy. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's just a stressful situation. It's okay. We got your back, man. It's okay. Todd!
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah. I got it. I'm okay. I swear.
You got it.
Keep your hands up.
58, still 10-4.
Up to 4. Keep your hands where I can see them.
I'm coming up to you. Where are you at in relation to Robin's house?
I'm standing over here in the field. I've got the EMS has got the girl detained in handcuffs, and I'm standing out here in the field. We've got the one guy on the ground, Robin standing in the doorway.
Shut up. Hey, brother.
Got that.
We're going to grab this guy in orange, okay?
Lord, I'm loose there this road. I'll be on Oldport Highway. We'll be in about 3 or 4.
You better keep your hands where I can see them. You best not move.
Do you need us over there? 31-100, I'll be at his location.
10-4.
Keep your hands up.
He's crazy. He's crazy. Fucking firearm before
He's right there.
100 though, 128. It's gonna be there at the intersection. 794 is. It's gonna be right there at the intersection. Cedar Bluff.
Intersection of Cedar Bluff and Sharp Road, is that correct?
10-4.
Careful.
Dziękuję za oglądanie, zostawcie łapkę w górę i komentarz. Na razie.